next one. Also, if someone lives in an apartment complex and someone leaves unwanted good, like new furniture next to the dumpster or something, are we allowed to take it for our use, or is that considered stealing?
So okay, so it's very good. It's very good question. So in halachic term, it's called hefker. Hefker, I mean, it's nobody. So as soon as I, for example, if as I put like on a curb or next to the dumpster, I put something, it means that I don't need it. You understand? Nobody put something to the dumpster for storage. Nobody. Like if for example, maybe I painting inside of my house and I can move, like, let's say, some easy furniture, so I want to take it out, so I would keep it like next to my windows, like somewhere, like to show it, no, it's mine, I'm not getting rid of it. But if somebody put it to the dumpster, absolutely, it's a hefker. Anybody who take it, it's his, right? That's what we do. Sometimes, like there's one book that I don't need. I'm not going to read it. I read it like some years ago. I read it, so I brought to my shul and I put the sticker. No, not the sticker. I put it in a piece of paper and say it's hefker. So whoever wants to take it, he's the owner. As soon as he pick it up, he's the owner. And if I cannot come to him and say, no, you know what, I changed my mind, it's mine. No, that's it. He's an owner. I'm no one body. As soon as I relinquish the ownership of anything, so I and this guy has exactly the same rights to this. He has exactly the same rights as I am. Even I paid for this money. It doesn't matter. So there is no problem to take the furniture and do whatever you want. And you're not. I mean, according to the Jewish law, if you have non-Jewish neighbors, it's maybe difficult. But if they want it back, they have to pay you. How much? Whatever you tell them. It's yours. I mean, if I have a chair, somebody comes to my house, they say, no, I like your chair. Okay, well, you like your chair, I like $250. Okay, so maybe we exchange, maybe.